Okay, crafters, this should be a fairly quick video. It's a really easy craft, and it's going to use a bed spring is what I'm going to use, but if you have some stiff wire that you can coil around, that will work as well. So let's get started. Okay, here's my bed spring. Then I have this Christmas candy dish. I'm going to save the base for another project, and I'm going to use the lid because the Christmas tree top is broken. So I'm just going to put a bead of super glue gel around the edge, add my bed spring, and now that it's good and dry, I'm going to take these red pipe cleaners and I'm going to go all the way down down all the coils. I'm just going to put a bead of hot glue and skip a little ways, put a bead of hot glue, and I'm just going to do them end to end all the way to the bottom. And you see how it bobbles? That's because of the weight of that lid. You need a heavy item to put on top of your spring, and then it will bobble. And I added a row of green on top of the red. And now I'm going to add a row of green around the base of the lid. Also, the Christmas tree on top is going to help my Santa to stand up. So, the Santa is a really lightweight little stuffed thing. And I'm just going to put some hot glue on his boots and position them on either side of the Christmas tree. And it's going to go, the Christmas tree is going to go kind of between his legs, and it's going to make him stay upright. So you just need a heavy lid and a lightweight item on top. And he bobbles away. So there is the completed Santa with his little bag of presents. He already came like that. He was a package tie on. And now he's a bobble Santa. Okay, so that's my video for today. I still have more Christmas crafts to come because I am loaded up with the Christmas ideas. So I will see you on the next one. Please hit the like button. It would really help my channel. Thank you. Bye.